The importance of safeguarding can't be overestimated. It's a huge thing, and we've taken it right on board. We've now implemented it. It's part of our policy. All members have to introduce a safeguarding policy, and certainly all new members joining us will have to have a safeguarding policy in place before they're allowed to continue with rugby in Asia. Incredibly good relationship we have with ChildFund. They've come into Asia Rugby. They've given us all sorts of knowledge. Our field is rugby. It's the doing the game, but we don't have the periphery skills. ChildFund comes in and it tells us about safeguarding. It tells us about gender inclusion, and we go, tell us more. And so it's so important to have a partnership like that, because with the expertise that ChildFund can bring us, we can really broaden the game and make it appeal and do what's right in the game.
We work on safeguarding policies across Asia Rugby, but ChildFund Pass It Back's policies are something that we need to look at, and seeing that Asia Rugby has a partnership with ChildFund Pass It Back, this was the ideal opportunity for me to be upskilled, to understand what the program is and see how we can incorporate the program with what we do.
Well, what's great here this morning is we've got unions like Laos, Vietnam. These are not big names on the rugby field, but guess what? They're actually leading the way in safeguarding. These are the unions that are going to be helping us put in templates for the rest of our unions to follow.
Is the ChildFund Pass It Back structure. I think that's the safeguarding of which we at Asia Rugby at the moment do not have a clear structure. I think that was the most positive.
I hope that the rest of our unions, on seeing this, will now make real positive contacts with ChildFund and say, help us so that we can be better. And as long as we all do that, everyone's a winner.